Transforming your living room into a stylish and inviting space can be an exciting project that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Start by considering the overall theme or style you want to achieve. Whether it's modern, traditional, electric, or minimalist, having a clear vision will guide your choices. Begin with the color palette. Neutral tones like beige, gray, or soft white provide a versatile backdrop, while accent colors can be introduced through cushions, artwork, and decorative elements. Consider creating an accent wall using paint, wallpaper, or textured materials like wood or stone, which can serve as a focal point and add depth to your room. Furniture selection is crucial. Opt for pieces that balance comfort and style. A well proportioned sofa should anchor the room. Choose one that suits your space. Sectional works well in larger areas, while a love seat may be ideal for smaller rooms. Layer your seating with armchairs or puffs for added comfort and versatility. Remember to consider scale and proportion. Oversized furniture in a small room can feel cramped, while smaller pieces in a spacious area may get lost. When selecting a coffee table, look for something functional yet stylish, like a glass top table to maintain an opal feel or a wooden one for warmth. Rug placement is another essential aspect. A large area rug can define the sitting area and add texture. Ensure the front legs of your furniture are on the rug to create a cohesive look. Layering rugs can also introduce warmth and pattern. A smaller pattern rug on top of a neutral layer can create a visual interest. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood. Incorporate a mix of ambient task and accent lighting. Floor lamps beside a reading chair, table lamp on the side tables, and dimmable overhead fixture can all enhance the space. Don't overlook natural light. Sheer curtains or blinds can soften incoming light while avoiding privacy. Accessories are the finishing touch that personalizes your living room. Incorporate artwork that resonates with you, whether it's a gallery wall of framed photographs, bold canvases, or a single statement piece. Plants bring life to your room. Choose low maintenance varieties like snake plants or pothos if you're new to gardening. Decorative objects such as vases, books, or unique finds from your travel can showcase your personality and spark conversations. Create balance with symmetrical arrangement on shelves and coffee tables, or embrace asymmetry for a more relaxed vibe. Incorporating technology thoughtfully is important in modern living rooms. Consider a sleek media console that hides cables and provides storage for devices, while still allowing for a clean aesthetic. If you have a fireplace, it can serve as a natural focal point. Consider arranging furniture around it for a cozy gathering space. If you don't have a traditional fireplace, you can create a simple atmosphere with candles or a modern electric fireplace. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of functionality. Think about how to use your living room. If it's a family space, ensure it's practical. Durable fabrics and easy to clean surfaces can help maintain the area. If you entertain often, consider creating zones for different activities like a reading nook or a game area. With careful planning and a touch of creativity, your living room can become a reflection of your style, a hub for family gathering and a comfortable retreat for relaxation. Ultimately, the key is to enjoy the process of decorating. Take your time to find pieces that resonate with you and create a space where you truly feel like home.